Hi everyone, I'm Corrin with Corrin Fox Fit, and today I'll be leading you through a quick, less than 15-minute arm workout for beginners. This is a great class to do if you are newer to exercise or fitness, or if you just want to simply add some more movement in throughout your day. This workout is designed to help tone and strengthen your arms. You can do this workout like I'll be doing standing up the entire time, or if you prefer, you can do it seated in a chair or on a stability ball. For today's workout, you'll simply need 1 or 2 sets of free weights. If you want some options, I have my 2s and my 5-pound weights today. However, you can totally still do this workout if you don't have weights, so get creative. Grab something from around the house, such as cans or jars or shampoo, conditioner bottles, laundry detergent, you name it. We just need a little bit of resistance for our arm workout today. Today's workout, we have 6 exercises. Each exercise will do for 30 seconds on and 15 seconds off for a total of 3 full circuits. Let's go ahead and get started. So our first exercise, I'm going to be using my 2-pound weights, and we are going to start with arm circles forwards for 30 seconds. We want to draw the shoulders away from the ears, arms are out wide, elbows are slightly bent, and we're going to circle them forward for 30 seconds. So get ready, get set, and go. Circle forwards. Make sure if you are standing, keep the knees slightly bent so we don't lock the legs. Keep the shoulders down away from the ears. Good job. We're starting to really, maybe you even feel it already in the shoulders, circling the arms, just getting warmed up here. Really, really nice. Now get ready. 3, 2, 1, and rest. 15 seconds rest here. We're going to go circle the arms backwards. I'm proud of you guys for being here, for showing up for yourself and incorporating some movement into your day. So get ready, circle backwards, ready, and go. Circling backwards. Breathing, making sure we're not holding the breath here. So sometimes the tendency as we're exercising and moving through some exercises, we want to hold the breath. Make sure to keep breathing. Good, you guys, keep circling backwards. You got this. Circle, circle, almost there. Yes, we've got 3, 2, and 1, and rest. Draw the arms down, 15 seconds rest. Next exercise, you can keep using the same weights you were. If you have options, you might switch depending on what your strength level is. I'm going to switch to my 5s. We're doing arm punches next. So forward punches with those weights. So get ready, get set, and go. Punching forward. Nice little bend in the knees. Working those arms, building strength in those arms. Really, really nice. Breathe. Awesome job. You got this. Almost there. Keep punching it forward. You got this. 3, 2, and 1, and rest. Little break here. Next, we have tricep pulses. So you're going to draw the weights behind the back, palms face out, and we're going to pulse up and down, back and forth. Slight bend in the knees. We're working those triceps. So get ready, get set, and go. Pulse it out. Slight bend in the knees, making sure you're not sticking out the butt or arching the back. You're standing up nice and tall. Keep pulsing, working those triceps. Breathe. You got this. You are doing great. Keep it up. We're almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Maybe you're starting to feel the burn a little bit. Even like I am a little bit. So next we have bicep curls. So you're going to start with the weights down by the thighs, palms facing out. You're going to keep the arms in towards the side body. You're going to curl up towards the chest and back, bring it back down. Curl up towards the chest and bring it back down. So get ready, bicep curls, get set, and go. Really nice. Keep those arms in towards the body. We don't want them splaying out. We want to keep them in. Draw the weights up, curl up, and release down. Good. Breathe. Awesome work, you guys. Working our bicep muscles. Woo. Yes. We're almost there. 3, 2, and 1, and rest. 15 seconds rest here. So last exercise in our first circuit will be front raises. So you're going to start with the palms facing towards the thighs. You're going to raise the arms up at shoulder height, elbows slightly bent, and then drop them down. So raise them up in front of you and down. All right, get ready, get set, and go. Really nice. Make sure you're not rounding through the back, but you're standing up, or if you're seated, sitting up nice and tall, shoulders away from ears, nice, slow, controlled movement. And you want to think about drawing that belly button in towards the spine. So we're engaging the core here, strong core, as the arms move. Slight bend in the elbows. 3, 2, and 1. Good, you guys. Rest. 15 seconds rest here. Shake out the arms. That was our first full circuit. We're going right into another circuit. If you want to, if you need more rest time, you can always pause this video and start again when you are ready. So remember, we have our arm circles forward, followed by our arm circles backwards. Get ready, get set, and go. Circle forwards. So I switched back to my 2-pound. For these, use what you have in your house. If you don't have weights, anything with a little resistance, little weight will work here. You can hold water bottles in your hands. Get creative. At one point, I didn't have my weights, and I was using cans of beans and spaghetti sauce jars. Whatever works. Good, you guys. Keep circling forwards. 3, 2, and 1, and rest. Take a few nice deep breaths. When we move our bodies, we feel better mentally and physically. So I'm just so proud that you're here and you're doing this. You're moving your body. Keep up the great work. Here we go, circling backwards. Ready, set, and go. Circle backwards. Now the goal is here to really try not to drop the arms through these 30 seconds. Drop the arms down. But if you have to, totally rest when you need to. If your arms are getting too burnt out, you can drop the arms, take a few breaths, and then draw them back up again and keep circling. Good. Almost there. Yes, we've got 3, 2, and 1. Really nice job, you guys. All right, little rest. Then we've got our arm punches forwards. I'm switching to my 5s. And think when we're punching, think that you're getting out any anxiety or stress from the day or the week. Go ahead and punch that away. All right, get ready, get set, and go. Punch it out. Really nice. Again, keep those knees nice and bent. We don't want to really bounce here. We just want a little bit of just bend in the knee so we don't lock the leg. Good. Keep punching out. Get any stress or anxiety out. You can do this. Whew. Keep going. Almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Take a few breaths. Next, we have our tricep pulses. So you're turning the weights, or you're drawing the weights behind you, turning the palms facing back, getting ready to pulse out our sweet little triceps. So tricep muscles here. All right, get ready, get set, and go. Pulse it out. Good. Standing up nice and tall if you're standing up, or seated up nice and tall, or sitting up nice and tall. Slight bend in the knees. Breathe. Maybe you're feeling it. You guys are doing awesome. Keep going. Good. Almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Awesome. Little bit of rest here before we move into our bicep curls. So we're switching so the palms face out. We're curling up and down, keeping the arms in. Get ready, get set, and go. Bicep curls. Really good job, you guys. When we move our bodies, we feel better mentally and physically. Sometimes the hardest part is just showing up for ourselves. So the fact that you're here, you turned on this workout, you're doing this, I'm so proud of you. All right, keep going. Bicep curls, almost there. 3, 2, and 1, and rest. All right, you guys, we've got one more exercise in this second circuit. We've got our front raises next. So get ready for those. All righty, here we go. Front raises, ready, set, and go. Raise the arms up, slight bend in the elbows, and release them down. Up and down. Draw that belly button in towards the spine, so you're really turning on that low belly. Breathing. Maybe we're sweating a little bit. Maybe that's just me. No. Good, you guys. Awesome work. Keep going. We're almost there. 3, 2, and 1, and rest. All right, you guys. Get a little water if you'd like. Shake out the arms. Woo! You guys are doing amazing. Hang in there. We have one more full circuit to do, starting with our arm circles forward. All righty. So get ready, you guys. Last set of these arm circles forward. Get set and go. Arms out wide. Maybe on this last circuit, you're really feeling it, or you're really going to feel it. That's normal. Our arms are already really warmed up. Good. Circle forwards. Keep going. Don't give up. You are capable of hard things. You are strong. You might silently or out loud even say that to yourself. I am strong. Good. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. All right. Get ready to circle backwards. 30 seconds. Get ready. Almost there. A little rest. Take a couple more breaths. All right. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Circle backwards. Good. Whew. You feel the burn, maybe in your shoulders, upper arms. You guys are doing amazing. Don't give up. You got this. Keep going. You're almost there. Breathe it out. You got this. Almost there. 3, 2, and 1. Whew. All right. Little rest. And then we're going to get into those arm punches. Here we go. And remember, punch away any anxiety or stress that's in your life right now. Anything that you don't need, get rid of that right now through these punches. Ready, set, and go. Punch forward. Make sure as you punch that you're not locking the elbow. The elbows, we want to keep a little bend into both of the elbows as we punch out. Get out that stress, get out that anxiety. Whatever you have going on this week, I know you can conquer it. You got this. Keep going. Keep going. Nice work, you guys. 3, 2, and 1. All right. Whew, we did that. You did that. All right, next we have our tricep pulses. Little baby tricep pulses. Firing up our tricep muscles. Get ready. Get set. And go. Press those palms back. Press those arms back. Nice work, you guys. Keep going. You got this. Draw that belly button in towards the spine. We're almost there. Maybe you find a little smile here. You're doing great. 3, 2, and 1. Woohoo! Nice work. Whew. All right, 2 more exercises. You got this. We've got this. Bicep curls are next. Make sure to keep those arms in towards the body. Here we go. Ready, set, and bicep curls, go. Nice, slow, controlled movement. Not too fast. Breathing as you move. In and out. Inhale. Exhale. You guys are doing amazing. I'm proud of you for being here and doing this workout. 3, 2, and 1. And rest. Really nice job, you guys. Okay, going into our last exercise, we have our front raises. And then you are done. All right, hang in there. We're in the home stretch now. Get ready, get set, and go. Raise those arms up at shoulder level. Keep those elbows slightly bent. Really nice job, you guys. Proud of you for being here. Proud of you for taking this time out for yourself. Moving your body. When we move our bodies, we feel better mentally and physically. So good, you guys. 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Grab some water. Virtual high five. If you guys, I pretended like you high-fived me. Virtual high five. You guys did amazing. Thank you for choosing this workout. Please let me know what you thought of this quick arm workout for beginners. I hope you really enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you again, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye.